We will be presenting the last 30 seconds of our video.
In this graph point, we have determined that the width and depth of these points. Same with the others, you can determine which is bigger by the average. On the information we have determined that point 3 had the highest width and point 2 had the highest depth.
The delta is getting smaller after every test. The delta stops growing, but the river still carries sediment to the outer banks, which makes the delta look like it's pushed back. The delta still gets bigger on top, but you can't really see it. The shape of the delta changed by the river carrying the sediment around to the outer banks, which made it look the same, just pushed back.
The delta got bigger because the river got bigger, which you can tell by the information on these graphs. The rivers got wider, and the sediment and water had more space to flow into the delta. The delta slowed down after each test because of the sediment in the stream. The water went when the sediment built up and the water was pushed the PVC pipe into the drain hole at the end of the stream, in which rose the sea level to where we were able to measure how much it has rose from test to test.
This line graph is the percent change in surface area. We took the first number minus the second number, then divided by the first number. Then we did that same thing with the second and third, and then the third and fourth. When the sea levels rose, the river deposited the sediment in the middle of the delta, and most of the delta is underwater, so the only part you can see where the sediment gets deposited.